This is Lucas. He's allowing me to do any type of fade I want. And of course, I'm gonna pick a skin fade. A skin fade can be complex to do, but with my GFR technique, I'm gonna be going through it step by step for you to understand and get that seamless blend that you want. By looking at Lucas's hair, I can see there's a little bit of weight. So what I wanna do first is reduce that weight by using a number 3 guard closed. I'm gonna be using the number 3 guard to debulk up to the parietal and then straight out. What you don't wanna do is bring your clipper inwards. We wanna create this square shape. As I'm debulking with a number 3, I want to go up to the parietal ridge and then outwards. The focus is to create a square shape all the way around.